morning. I have another heart-shaped flip book for you guys to share. So I did use last year's Valentine paper, and this is the hashtag awesome. I did use, I think, a couple of the 6x6, and then mostly the 12x12 of this paper. So, and then I also used the ephemeras from that collection. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the front, and I used one of my gold loose binder rings again, and I did use an eyelet for the holes for each of the pages. Then I used, this is the tulle that I had gotten from Joann's a few weeks ago, and I just made a bow, and I hung one of my charms, my heart charms on there. And all of the pages have pockets on them, so I think with the exception of one. So here all I did was use one of my heart-shaped foam glitter hearts, and I just cut it and glued just the edge right here to create a pocket, and then I have a couple of tags, and these are the tags from the hashtag awesome collection, I believe. I created one of my bows using the Martha Stewart bow punch, and I used the velvety paper that I had gotten from Joann's a while back. Used some twine from Target as well, and then some bling, and then here is one of the ephemera pieces from this collection. And the other side I created another pocket, this time using a embossed gold foiled paper from Hobby Lobby. It comes in a 6x6 pack, and paper pad, that is, and I just cut it in half after I had just used a template to make a heart. This actually, the base of these are those heart cardboard. Let me see if I can find it, what I do with it. The one from Hobby Lobby that I purchased, it would be this one right here. And remember, this one has the adhesive on one side, and all I did was peel it back and adhered it, and it stuck pretty well, and then I glued here and I stuck another piece of paper. So that's the base, and so they're very, very sturdy. In fact, it's kind of heavy. I just put one of the die cuts here, and I popped it up on dimensionals, and then I just cut a die cut using one of my heart dies, and then this is a tag in one of the ephemera pieces that you can buy from last year's. Okay, and that goes in there. How did I have it? Yep. For this next one here, again, I cut another heart using foil paper, and then these are actually not just die cuts, but I believe they're stickers. Is this the one that's stickers? I think they are stickers, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Can't remember now, because these were from last year. Huh, I don't know. Maybe they're not. Anyway, for this one here, what I did was I cut a heart, to make the pocket. I cut this As you can see, it's stitched right here, so it's basically the larger heart from this set of dies. And then what did I do? I turned it on its side like this, and then just cut it like that to make the V part here. And so you just have this top part. So it kind of gives it a nice shape as a little pocket. So that's what I did with a lot of the pockets. Okay, and then this one, I kind of just alternated one with a vertical pocket and then one, you know, with a pocket going horizontally. This one here, I used a acetate piece. I think that's from Michael's as well. I put Smile. One of, I have a die that cuts this and embosses it. And then just cut another heart and a couple of die cuts, so that just kind of tucks in there. And then for the next one, let me move this over. For the next page here, again I created a pocket, and this time I used a heart, what do you call it, a scalloped heart die to cut it out. And then again I turned the heart sideways like this and then just made a V. Like what I would do is I adhere it down and then I cut it. So anyway, and I just kind of decorated using one of the cut-aparts from the collection, and that's another cut-apart tag, and I stapled the this ribbon up here, and then made a little fishtail banner and put some hearts there. So just kind of decorated it. And then this is another die cut that I cut using one of those dies, one of my dies. And this is another tag from the collection. And I just, you know, added, of course, the eyelets. And then for this one, I used a felt stiffened felt, sorry. And again, this is, I cut a heart shape and used it as a pocket. And then I have some more cut-aparts, ephemeras. And then this sticker. Love that sticker. I think I was gifted, that was gifted to me. And then I have just this acetate piece here. I love it. I love this one because it's gold, and then on the other side it's a rose gold. And then here's another pocket that I made again using some die cuts to decorate, and this epoxy little sticker here that was gifted to me. It's a set with other shapes. That was from my friend Sophia a while ago, like 2-3 years ago. This one I just made it very simple. I didn't want to put a pocket on this one because it would cover up the best friends or the best therapy sentiment there. So I just added a bow and two punched out hearts. And then here's another one. This time for my pocket I used a faux leather and basically just cut a, just cut it triangularly and then just hot glued the sides to make a pocket. And then I used this trim from Target. Have a couple of ephemera pieces here and the tag. There's another heart ephemera piece. Really cute, and this says "You are just my type." And then I added a foam heart there, and this is a brad, and I just took the shanks off, or whatever that piece is, the backing off. And then here I created another pocket using another foam heart, I think from the 99-cent store. This is a stitched heart die, and I just cut it with that die. And this is one of those Target tags from a couple years ago, I think, or I don't remember how long ago. And then here, love this page too. Here I used one of the, what is this, like a canvas glitter from Hobby Lobby. And again, I cut it heart-shaped and then cut it in half to make a pocket. And then this, I really like this piece here, and so what I did was I kind of just used it kind of like a buckle and just put this stretchy band on the back of it, you know, and through the holes, and so it wraps all the way around actually here. And since it says you're a gem, I put a little diamond paper clip, and then there's just some ephemeras in there. That's actually, it'll be easier if you pull it from the bottom here. So again, these are cut aparts from the collection, from the hashtag. Awesome, from the hashtag awesome. And that goes in there. And that goes in there too. And then the paper clip. So that's it. Very cute and very sweet. And oh yeah, and I added some gems. And again, that's from the Target dollar spot a while ago. Or last year, I think. And then I just punched out some hearts here to just kind of cover, or to keep this from slipping down. And then I just stamped my stamp. So that is it for my flipbook share, and I hope you guys like it. Please leave me a comment and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and let me know what you think. So talk to you guys later. Have a great week. Bye for now.